All right, this time what we're going to do is we're going to make the code up. And what I used to use to do my code up is I usually go to one of my blogs and I make a post, create a new post. And it's easier. One thing, all your pictures are easier. It saves a whole lot of having to upload and find out where you got your picture stored. And basically all we're going to have to do is we're going to go right here where I copied Acme Phone Leads graphics. And as it loads, for some reason it is taking a while. Picture open. Okay, now then, we're going to say, and I saved this as 497 by 87, and the reason for that is the widest you can have a picture, and look right on the Facebook business page, is 520. So always leave a little bit of room for just to have some space on the side. And we're going to insert that into our post. All right, now then, we're going to highlight this, and we're going to tell it to center it. Now then, what we're going to do is we're going to come down. We're going to go to one of my other pages that I've already got, and we're going to copy all this information right here, just simply because it's faster to do it this way. And we're going to go back, and now we're going to paste all this into there. Okay, and that picture didn't come across, but it should still. We'll just eliminate that picture for simplicity's sakes. Now then, what you do is you go back to your HTML code and you just highlight and you select all and you type copy. Now then you go back to here and you go to edit and you go to apps and you go back down here to where we made this welcome page, and right here what we're going to do is we're going to highlight that we put in first. We're going to type paste and we're going to save it. And now we're going to go back and we're going to look at the page. And we're going to go to the welcome page. And voila, there it is. All right, now this is the reason that I left this blank up here. That way this, and I really left a little bit too much out in here. But that way this will line up over here and it looks a little better. And of course when you go to your wall, it's still going to be down here. It's going to be, if we brought it up just a little bit, had a little less saved right in there, everything would line up with these pictures that I'm come across here. Plus this is what's coming up right here when you make a post. So that's something else you have to keep in mind. We'll just do a little test and you'll see what I'm talking about. We'll share it. All right, now then, we've got our logo right where we want it. Very easy to do. Go to your welcome page. And this can be just ever how long you want to make this. This over here, you have a limit of 180 by 540. Actually, I wasted a little bit of room up here, but that's okay. All right, now if you like this page now, here's what happens. Actually, you've got a little void up here, but that's no problem. This will line up down here if you set this at the right amount down here. And that's what you want. It's real easy to do. They're going to be changing to iframes and getting away from FBML. And FBML will still work on your page if you already have it set up. I highly recommend that when you go and set up your page, you go ahead and get that now, because after March, I think March the 10th, that option's not going to be available to you.